Hi everyone, this is Emily over at Willard Bay Gardens. I just want to take a minute and talk to you about violas and pansies today. So as you can see, I have some violas in front of me and they are blooming like crazy. And normally this would be amazing. We'd love to see them bloom like this. The problem is that we just got these plugs in maybe 2 weeks ago, and so they've only been planted for about 2 weeks, which means they have not had a chance to establish a solid root system yet. So if we were to send these out the door as is, they would not be as happy in your garden as if we were to pinch off these blooms and let them focus on that root growth. So I'm going to show you how we go through and pinch off blooms for you today. So what you want to do is use your pointer finger and your thumb, and just use that pointer finger as an anchor and go on the stem of the bloom and use your thumbnail to pinch it off. Super easy, just like that. Or if you don't want to get a green thumb, so to speak, you can take your scissors and just go ahead and cut off that bloom stem. Also really easy. So if you have some plants in your garden, you don't have to do it with just violas or pansies that have spent blooms, or you just have new plants in your garden that you want to encourage root growth over blooms. You can go ahead and pinch off the blooms and it'll help them be happier and healthier. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to pinch off the rest of these blooms for a few more weeks so that when their root systems are established, they're ready to go home and be happy in your garden.